A man and a woman stand naked in a garden, facing one another beneath a radiant angel who hovers in the sky. Behind them rise the tree of life and the tree of knowledge, and between them stretches open space alive with possibility. The lovers is the card of union, choice, and alignment, where desire, value, and truth converge into wholehearted commitment. The couple is the central symbol. They stand unclothed, not to imply vulnerability alone, but transparency, nothing hidden, nothing distorted. The woman looks towards the angel. The man looks towards her, forming a chain of attention from human longing into divine guidance. Together, they express the integration of the inner and outer worlds, relationships as the mirror through which the self comes to know itself. The lovers is not merely romance, but the recognition of resonance, a meeting that awakens wholeness. The first supporting symbol is the angel, often identified as Raphael, whose name means God heals. With wings outstretched and sun bursting behind him, he represents divine blessing and the higher intelligence that oversees love, choice, and connection. His presence elevates the scene from instinct to sacred union, the reminder that true love awakens the soul's highest potential. The tree of knowledge behind the woman is the second symbol. Its fruit glows with the serpent coiled around its trunk, evoking temptation, awareness, and the awakening of consciousness. This tree represents the path of intuition, inner truth, and the mysteries of desire. The woman's orientation toward the angel shows that intuition seeks spiritual alignment, not indulgence. The third symbol is the tree of life behind the man, crowned with 12 flaming leaves representing the zodiac. It is the tree of structure, action, and growth, the outward expression of purpose. The man's gaze toward the woman shows that action follows value. He learns direction through the heart's knowing. The fourth symbol is the mountain rising between them. It represents aspiration and the challenges inherent in choosing union or alignment. The mountain is not a barrier, but a summit, what lovers or any seekers of harmony can rise toward when acting in truth. The fifth symbol is the sun blazing behind the angel. This is illumination, clarity, and the life force that blesses honest choice. The light shows that love, when aligned with integrity, becomes a source of vitality rather than confusion. Together, these symbols reveal that the lovers is ultimately about alignment between heart and mind, desire and integrity, self and other, value and action. It teaches that choices rooted in truth lead to growth, while choices driven by fear fragment the self. In readings, the lovers signifies relationship, deep connection, decisive choice, moral judgment, or the call to integrate inner truth with outward action. Its counsel, choose with the whole self. Its wisdom, what you unite with, person, purpose, or path, shapes who you become.